So since nagva-viral yung first date video natin, ang mga katanungan naman doon ay paano naman daw mag-imbita ng first date. I got you, my young kings. This is way easier than actually being on that date. You just have to be straightforward and very clear. Example, hey, let's have a coffee date Wednesday night. Are you free? Oo, kailangan nyo isama yung date na word para malaman nila that you want this connection romantically. Straightforward. Isasama nyo coffee date. Huwag nyo lalagyan ng friendly. Bakit? Naghahanap ka ba ng friends mo? Ha? Hindi naman, di ba? Oh, coffee date. Walang friendly. Pag nilagyan nyo ng friendly yun, welcome to the friend zone. So pag nagawa nyo na yun, gentlemen, two possibilities. Papayag or hindi. Pwede siya o hindi siya pwede. Take note of this. Kapag sinabi nilang hindi sila pwede at nag-reschedule sila, ibig sabihin they are also interested in you. Iyon. Pero pag sinabi lang nila na, sorry, hindi ako pwede at walang reschedule na naganap, ibig sabihin, mas mababa yung chance na interesado sila sa'yo. Men, do not be desperate. Take note. Set a date nang naaayon sa schedule mo. Ngayon, kung hindi naaayon yun sa schedule nila, ipapaalam nila yun sa'yo at sila ang magre-resched for the date. Gets mo? Ngayon, pag nag-resched sila, still check your schedule kung pasok. Kung hindi pasok sa'yo, ikaw naman ulit ang mag-resched. Ganun yun. Hindi dapat pinipilit. Kasi kapag interesado, may paraan. Pero hindi desperado. Kuha-kuha, huge difference. Be a gentleman but never be a simp. Yun yung point. Other examples, maliban sa coffee date, tignan mo yung bio kung ano nakalagay doon. Baka may clue kung ano yung gusto nila. For example, nakalagay doon, nature lover. Okay, kung malapit ka sa Baguio, pwede na. For example, Pangasinan ka lang, Dagupan o kaya La Union. Hi, Miss Nature Lover. Shisha ball! Meet up or pick you up. 6 a.m. Saturday. Baguio trip with me. Balikan. Pwedeng sasakyan, pwedeng commute lang kung saan ka komportable. Kapag tinanong nila kung bakit kailangan nila mamili sa commute tsaka sasakyan, kung may sasakyan ka naman, ang sasabihin mo lang naman dun is, your comfort is priority. Kasi yun naman talaga dapat. Kung feeling mo hindi ka safe, na nasa sasakyan na tayong dalawa lang, di mag-bus tayo para mas katabi mo ako. You know what I'm saying? So yun lang. I'll see you in the next vid, my young kings and queens. Stream if you want me on all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice suit.